To add a new space type, begin by selecting the Space Setup submenu located within the Locations menu. Then click the New link. Complete each of the following fields. First, select the level or location associated with the space type, and select your space type from the drop-down listing. Then enter the quantity of spaces. This is the total number of spaces at the location. Make sure to include already assigned spaces, quantities of discounted rate spaces in the same category, and factor in any oversell quantities made available beyond the physical number of spaces at the location. Next, enter the description or name you would like to use for the space type. You should include part of the location name and/or the rate amount for reference in other parts of the system. Then enter the effective date for this rate. Please note, in cases where an existing space type rate is being changed, the start date field should be used for the date the new rate should be charged. The system will retire the previous rate and begin using the new rate on this date. Next, enter the pre-tax amount without a $sign. Please note that Zephire will calculate the tax based on the 4-digit percentage where applicable as opposed to the 2-digit percentage. If you wish to calculate a total rate and tax percentage that equals a round number, be sure to factor in the 4-digit percentage into this number. Next, select the charge type. This will determine how revenue is collected for this rate and reflected on system reports. In the Show on Parker Portal field, select Yes if you would like this rate to appear on the Parker Portal for potential new Parkers to select. Otherwise, select No. Select No in the Remove from Billing field to include the credential in the billing invoice. Select Yes to remove from the billing invoice. When selecting Yes, charges will not be calculated on the invoice associated with this space type, and credentials assigned to this space type will not be shown on the invoice. In most cases, you will select No. The Include in Usage question determines whether the quantity of spaces for the space type count against the total quantity assigned to the location within the org hierarchy screen. If this space type is associated with secondary credentials, as an example, you may choose to select No, but in most cases you will select Yes. Next, set the status to active. Once you've entered all of the above information, click the Update button to create the new space type. As you can see, the new space type is listed here.